13 brain exercises to help keep you mentally sharp. Exercising the brain improves memory, focus, or daily functionality is a top priority for many people, especially as they get older. That said, people of all ages can benefit from incorporating a few simple brain exercises into their daily life, which we'll explore in more in this video. Brain exercises. Research has shown that there are many ways you can hone your mental sharpness and help your brain stay healthy. No matter what age you are, doing certain brain exercises will help boost your memory, concentration, and focus, can make daily tasks quicker and easier to do, and keep your brain sharp when you get older. Let's take a deeper dive into 13 evidence-based exercises that offer the best brain boosting benefits. First, have fun with jigsaw puzzle. Whether you are putting together a 1000-piece image of Eiffel Tower or joining 100 pieces to make Mickey Mouse, working on a jigsaw puzzle is an excellent way to strengthen your brain. Second, try your hand at cards. Try learning one of these tired and true card games: solitaire, bridge, gin rummy, poker, heart, crazy eights. Third, build your vocabulary. By doing, keep a note with you when you read. Write down one unfamiliar word, then look up the definition. Try to use that word 5 times the next day. Fourth, dance your heart out. The Centers for Disease Prevention and Control notes that learning new dance moves can increase your brain's process speed and memory. In other words, bust a move on the dance floor and your brain will thank you. Fifth, use all your senses. Sixth, learn a new skill. Learning a new skill is not only fun and interesting, but it may also help strengthen the connection in your brain. 7. Teach a new skill to someone else. One of the best ways to expand your learning is to teach a skill to another person. Yes, listen to or play music. Do you want an easy way to increase your creative brain power? The answer may lie turning on some music. 9. Take a new route. Don't get stuck in a rut when it comes to your daily tasks. Instead, be willing to try a new way to do the same thing. 10th, meditate. Daily meditation can calm your body, slow your breathing, and reduce stress and anxiety. 11th, learn a new language. 12th, take up Tai Chi. It's not secret that Tai Chi can benefit your health in many ways, including your mental health. Plus, it can also help center your when life seems out of balance. Focus on another person. The next time you interact with someone, take note of 4 things about them. May you observe the color of their shirt or pant. Are they wearing glasses? Do they have a hat on? And if so, what kind of hat? What color is their hair? Once you decide on 4 things to remember, make a mental note and come back to it later in the day. Write down what you remember about those 4 details. Last but not least, focusing on your brain health is one of the best things you can do to improve your concentration, focus, memory, and mental agility, no matter what age you are. Thanks for watching the video.